AI subscription for Perplexity for students completely free for a 1 month pro subscription including various tools and more context of prompts and high level of prompt and canvas access and make deep learning more research because that of tools is more popular on research context. Other AI tools like ChatGPT compared to Perplexity is the best I will personally use. So I will teach you how you get 1 month pro subscription for specially students. But those not are you students, then will I will teach you how you can access pro subscription using your payment receipt fees. So let's open my browser. Here type student offer. Here one of the get student get a free pro access. So just I will enter. But before this, we will add one of the edits or something because we need a payment receipt fees for a college. So if you have already payment receipt, then not worry. But here we can do how you can generate own receipt fees online. So just open new tab and type any PDF editor. One of the site, just simple upload your friend's receipt fees. Like I will upload my friend's receipt script on this editor. Just I will change naming. So I just change one of the character Devinagar. Then after I will change here also. Here is the receipt number. I will change from this user ID also change. You can choose anyone, but make sure because Perplexity allow last 3 month verification script. So when you applying the subscription access, you must be need some of properly. So I will change. Okay, this is also fine. Change number like 98. Reference number also change. Payment slip reference number. Okay, make sure you choose properly because here we choose 8 because here we change school number the same as here we need. So simple copy this and acknowledgement we change this to this, and here we change only one number. So let's our script is ready. So just apply changes. It take some time. It is ready, so just download it. I'll download on document folder. Okay, override, yes, I will choose to override. This is done, our script is ready. So just close the tab. Here we choose email address you want, anything your personal or your college email id. I will use my personal email id. One time authentication code is receiving on your email address. Just check and verify it. So here we choose education, verify as a student. Click on verify as a student. Here we choose, here you choose your school receipt. So I will choose this one. Make sure you choose same details on your payment receipt script. I will open payment receipt script also. So here is my payment receipt script. I will copy my email address. Copy email address. This is required. So just paste and verify my students. He's going to sign in to university portal. Click on tab. Is opening new tab for login access. If you have a login credential with your college account, so it's fine, but we do not have a login credential. We use a payment receipt for a verification, so we just close this tab. Here is the option showing upload proof of enrollment, upload document. Here is clearly saying document you must be include your full name, academic instruction name and logo, date of birth, current academic year, and here is clearly mentioned not more than 90 days from the today's date. So is the suggestion if what documents you should upload, school ID or with expiration date, class schedule, tuition receipt, and what type of file format you can upload, jpg, png or pdf. So I will we use uploading our payment receipt script. This is taking some of time. Yes, you have unlocked free Perplexity Pro subscription or already exclusive students feature. We will send notification confirmation mail also. So our Pro subscription is unlocked is the one of our referral link. I will send on my description below for use my referral link for you can access it. Continue. Here is the comment browser, but we just skip it. Yes, is the fun of the pro access. We got it for 1 month. Here you can research like whatever you choose. Is the pro subscription. Here you include images also creates. Let's take like create an image for beautiful weather on road view. Just a simple prompt. I will this is generate images also. So this is just you can do any type of image generation also. Is one of the best, and also do not any watermark on this images, so it's best. And when we come to use Gemini, so that also watermark on bottom right corner, but here is the no any watermark, so you can use images. Thank you for watching this video. For access pro subscription for Perplexity, and you can do anything with pros of the task. So you have unlocked everything: layer, learn, labs, deep learning. Also you have choose any type of pro model is unlock everything: Gemini 3 pro 4.1. This is not included because this is max subscription, and this is not the free student type of account provide, so that is not included on pro subscription, but this all other models is accessible, so you can try it. Best of luck for your academic, and you can browse any kind of topics and summarize anything